Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlock secret codes to get the most out of your internet speed. Let's begin with the first method. This works on any Windows computer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type CMD, but do not press Enter yet. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. You must give permission. Click Yes if it asks you. Now the command prompt window is open. This is where you will type some secret codes that help your system clean up internet settings and make better connections. Type this code and press Enter. Netch int IP reset. This command resets your internet protocol settings. It fixes issues that may slow down your internet. Now type the next code and press Enter. Netch winsock reset. This one resets the winsock catalog. Winsock helps apps on your computer use the internet. If this gets messy, it can slow down your connection. Resetting it helps a lot. Next, type this and press Enter. ipconfig/flushdns. This clears your DNS cache. Your computer stores website addresses to load them faster, but if some are old or broken, it can slow things down. Flushing clears the bad ones and lets your system fetch fresh ones. Now, restart your computer. This makes sure all the changes are saved and used. Now, let's unlock another tip. This one is for the DNS settings. Click on the Start menu, then open the Control Panel. If you can't find it, just search for Control Panel. Once inside, click on Network and Internet, then click Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on your active connection. This could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then click on Properties. A small window will open. Find and click on Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4. Then click Properties. Now look at the bottom section of the new window. It says, use the following DNS server addresses. Click that option. In the first box, type 8.8.8.8. In the second box, type 8.8.4.4. These are public DNS servers from Google. They are fast and reliable. Click OK, then click Close. Now you're using a better DNS which can make websites load faster and more reliably. That's it. You have now used several secret codes and settings to unlock a better internet speed. Thanks for watching.